Oh, it fell. Your background fell.
Okay. Stop! Let's do this. Hi everyone, this is Diksha from Food Pleasure and Health, and today I'm going to make really simple coffee. It just calls for 3 ingredients. We're using instant coffee. I'm using Nescafe, and then next is we're using plain white sugar and milk. And this method doesn't require any fancy equipment. I'm just using a spoon to whip everything, and it forms a really foamy, creamy, delicious coffee. Some people refer to this coffee as Indian cappuccino. In Nepal, we call this Ghoteko coffee. So yeah, let's get started. So I've been whipping this for about good 7-8 minutes, and I just find this process to be very therapeutic. If you have electric, like a hand mixer, you can use that, but just a spoon, little bowl just works just fine. So yeah, just enjoy watching the color change from really dark coffee color to this creamy, almost like a milk chocolatey color. So it's just fun and therapeutic. And the best thing about this is you can make a large batch, and this will stay in your fridge for a long time. So every time you need it, you have your mix ready to go. All you have to do is add steamed milk to it. Alright, so now let's assemble our coffee. So what I'm going to do is pour about like a good, tablespoon or 2 in a cup. And if you're doing it for like multiple people or large guests, you can just set up multiple coffee cups and do it that way. I have also heard using French press works fine. I just prefer to do it this way. So next thing is just steamed milk, and I'm just going to pour it. Alright, so my steamed milk is in, and this is the messy part. So we'll just go with it, and I like to just use both my hands. And this is called pulling coffee, and this is just a really old school method of doing it. So yeah, all you do is pour it from one cup to another, and this is what creates all that foam. Alright, so the coffee is looking really good. As you can see, it has this really rich color. It has a lot of foam. So yeah, I've pulled it maybe like 8 to 10 times. You can do it more if you'd like. But what you're looking for is that even color. You don't want any lumps or anything, and definitely like foam on top. And yeah, I think I'm going to give it a try. It's really good. It's really, really good. This is what I like. It's very strong, not too sweet, and this kind of reminds me of coffee in Kathmandu, where we go to like cafes and just have like a coffee. So yeah, I really want you guys to give it a try and let me know what you think. Like you saw it. It's super simple. Simple ingredients and no fancy equipment. So yeah, just let me know what you think. Until then, bye.